Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add your name to iPhone's lock screen. So guys, if you want to add your name on your iPhone's lock screen, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, this is very basic and simple. So guys, first of all you have to simply press and hold the lock screen of your iPhone. So guys, you can see this, simply press and hold the lock screen, and now here you can see the name of your profile. So I simply tap on profile and then go to that profile and then tap on focus settings, and from here select the profile which you have selected, and now tap on edit button from here, and now here you can see you can easily add your name from here. So I simply tap on this and add your name. So guys, add the name correctly and you can select the colors as well, and now you have to simply tap on done button, and now go back to your home screen and now lock your screen, and here you can see the name is appeared on the lock screen. So guys, you can see this, the name is now appeared on the lock screen. So guys, in this way you can also add your name to iPhone's lock screen. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.